Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your Xbox 360 model and controller firmware. This matters because compatibility varies between older and later systems. Once done, plug a wired USB keyboard and mouse into free USB ports or connect a wireless receiver directly. If you plan to use adapters or multiple devices, use a powered USB hub to avoid power issues. Make sure the console is on and you're signed into your profile before moving to device configuration. Next, you configure how the Xbox reads those devices. Go into dashboard settings or the game's control options to detect input. If you're using a third-party adapter, make sure its profile is loaded and any required firmware on the adapter is updated. Adapters often translate mouse movement into joystick input. Once plugged in, open a mapping screen or a game and assign keys and mouse buttons to the actions you want. Make adjustments for sensitivity and dead zones so aiming and movement feel natural. To finish, fine-tune mouse sensitivity, key bindings, and dead zones inside your chosen game so controls respond predictably. If the Xbox doesn't recognize the devices, restart the console, unplug and replug into different USB ports, and confirm the hub or adapter has power. Make sure adapter firmware and any companion software are updated. If you still see lag or disconnects, test the keyboard and mouse on a PC to isolate hardware faults. One key tip: swapping to a powered USB hub often resolves intermittent power and recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.